Hey guys, it's Cadence with Jupiter and Thanos Forever. I keep wanting to say Jupiter plus Thanos. I'm having a bad hair day, just so you guys know. I had my hair up in a half bun. But today we are going to be making some butter slime. I do want to say one thing. Loving this shirt. Okay, back to doing what we were doing. Okay, so you're going to need a bowl, spoon, butter knife, lotion. I don't know why, but I filmed a video one day and I haven't posted it yet. I don't think I will. But like, you gotta hold this bottle a certain way. It's Crystal Waters Spa Formula, lemon, or whatever soap or shampoo you have. But you do have to have soap or shampoo and lotion. And in this bowl I have cornstarch. So, let's get started. Sorry, I'm getting the evil eye over here by the cat. So, we're going to start with just a couple squirts of our lotion. So let's go ahead and add some lotion here, guys. Okay. You don't want to mix it up as you do that. Sorry, I've had some allergies, if y'all can tell. So guys, y'all know about my guinea pigs? Y'all wanna know something? Y'all do wanna know something. Lenny is a male, Moo is a female, Moo is pregnant, Lenny's the daddy. They're separated, Lenny's not happy, Moo is actually really happy. Yeah, that's a lot of information. But isn't that so wonderful, guys? Moo's a mommy. That's how I feel about it. I will do a video about starting to take care of your guinea pigs when they're pregnant. About what to feed them to help them. That the little babies grow strong and healthy and all that. I'm probably going to do that video tonight because I haven't been videoing too much or posting much. And I'll be uploading about 3 videos today, or tonight, my bad. It's like 12, 11, I don't know what time it is. Okay, but back to our slime. We can talk to this later, guys. Keep mixing till you get the slime consistency, but do go back and forth in between the lotion and the shampoo as you're doing it. 4 pumps, or however many pumps. 4. I done 4 that time. Sorry, I'm like, if you can tell, I'm filming in a different area from what I normally film in. I have my camera set up here on the dog kennel because Rex wasn't here, and then Rex found a skunk outside, so he's not in right now. He's stanky. Have to give him a bath later. And I said later, it's night. I'm not giving him a bath right now. I heard a car. We actually live 2 acres from the road, but lots of trucks drive through here. Not really any cars. I just say car. Because I'm an idiot. Okay, so we'll start to form a hard lump. A lump. That sounded weird. A lump. Everyone loves lumps. gonna add a little bit more lotion. Sorry, I'm not used to filming, guys. Oh my gosh. I cleaned my room and I forgot where I set my tripod. It's the end of the world, guys. You okay, Lenny? I actually have Moo in the kitchen, y'all. My moo poo poo is in the kitchen. And if you're wondering why, it's because, like I said, she's pregnant. Ooh, that looks really good. I'll show y'all in a minute. I'm still mixing. Getting cornstarch on the dog kennel. And I'm getting the evil eye again. This cat scares me sometimes. I will give y'all an up close. Don't worry, y'all ain't missing out. But like I said, Moo is pregnant. Lenny's a boy. What a wonderful, magical thing. Not really, I'm not that happy. I'm happy. But baby, I've never raised baby guinea pigs before. That's what I'm not happy about. Because I'm afraid I'm going to do something wrong. But that's why I've been doing research. Always do your research. Guinea pigs are not toys. I haven't posted that video yet about guinea pigs aren't toys. Because... lay this up here. This is actually some very amazing butter slime. Guys, this is... move it some. Why can't I video today? It is a little sticky at first, just so y'all know. I have my old t-shirt down here that I'll wipe everything on. Okay, guys. I'm stepping on a step stool. I'm sitting on a step stool, so I'm kind of having trouble with that also. Okay. Are y'all ready for the fantastic amazingness for your butter knife? Oh my gosh, yes. I can see some Snapchatting butter slime in my near future. Amazing. I almost started the video without silencing my TV because I'm sitting here alone with a guinea pig and a cat. Isn't my life exciting? This is it for today. You can add color if you would like. And you will be hearing about the guinea pig news pretty soon. Okay, that's it for today. Bye guys. One thing, please like and subscribe. And always add me on Snapchat at MewPlusJupiter. That's it.